Okay, this is the normal open position of the circulation cleaning valve located on the side of the shaker tank, and we're going to give it a shot of air to pretend that it's going into circulation cleaning mode. And you'll see it start to move air. This can take some time. This is normal because it's a small solenoid valve. And so now you can see the valve is closing. And so now this would be in circulation cleaning mode, meaning that as water comes from the plate pack, it goes here. Normally it would go through the circulation cleaning valve into sewer. In this case here, because the valve is closed, the water is diverted, returning to the tank. This allows circulation cleaning between the tank water and that which is in the plate pack.